Hey guys, welcome back to Matlock's Toy Room Reviews, and today I'm doing two DC Universe Green Lantern Classics figures. These are both from the Sinestro Corps. You have Low and Maash. I'm sure most of you guys have seen these by now, but two very cool figures. Of course, you could buy just one of these and get both figures. There's the head for Low right there. It's interchangeable. And there's Maash's head. It also has the hands as well. As you can see, they're just packaged different. This is Maash, this one's Low, and they're just packaged with the opposite heads, but each one has the exact same pieces. And it comes with the left leg of Archillo. Very cool on the back. You got a picture of him, and then it seems to be a bio. It seems to be the same for each one. Yeah. And the stats. And then of course all the other figures in the wave. And character-wise, Low and Maash are probably the weakest. I'm happy to get them both because it's just going to bulk up my yellow lanterns, which is awesome. But character-wise, they're really not that exciting. But they definitely look pretty awesome. But anyways, let's take a quick break and we'll get these two out of the package. Alright guys, and we are back with Low and Maash. And first off, each one comes with the 3D glasses for like an online game, whatever. And of course they both come with the left leg of Archillo. Very cool. These are actually both extras. I have a left leg already. And as you can see, I have both figures, and you end up with extra pieces. You end up with an extra head for each one of them. You can see, very cool. You can end up doing something cool with these. And then extra hands as well, which is pretty awesome. Anyways, on to the figures. Very cool. See his crazy looking mouth right there. Trying to look down his mouth. You can see there's something back there, like a hole back there or something kind of weird looking. Just pretty cool looking teeth. Looks awesome. I like his hands. Got some crazy looking hands. One thing I've noticed with the yellow lanterns is they all have the yellow ring on their left hand. I never knew that from the storyline or anything, that's what they did, but just from the figures, they all seem to be on the left hand. It's kind of weird. Very cool looking Sinestro Corps symbol. It's got that kind of crazy silver belt that a lot of the figures have now for the Green Lanterns and stuff. There was, from Series 2, the Red Lanterns had that same belt. But other than that, pretty standard. It's got, I don't know how well it's going to show up on camera, but there's like a gold band right there on the top of the yellow. It's like a little bit of gold paint. Pretty nice. The yellow has a nice wash up here. You can see some orange kind of washed into it. It makes it look pretty cool. Very cool. Articulation on these guys. This one, his head doesn't move very well, just because it kind of forms right over his shoulders. But on the other one, of course, it does rotate. You get a ball jointed shoulder, swivel at the upper bicep, single jointed elbow, swivel in the wrist, up and down torso joint, swivel in the waist. In and out at the hip, back and forward at the hip, swivel at the thigh, single jointed knee, and back and forward pivot at the foot. And like I said, his head will get some more rotation, but they basically share the same body, just different hands and different heads. So that's about it. You can see his hands; they look pretty cool. He's got his yellow ring. And the head sculpt on this guy is just really sick. That just looks awesome. Got the three crazy ass heads. That's just sick. That'd definitely scare the shit out of me if I saw him in real life. But definitely two cool figures. You could definitely just pick up one of the packs and have both. You could switch out if you wanted, or if you just wanted one of them. But I definitely wanted both. And I think I'm going to pick up a couple more and use some of my extra heads on them, just to make some more yellow lanterns. If I can find a couple for a good price. But Anyways, that was Low and Maash. Thanks for checking them out, guys.